So hi guys, I'm Sir Wendell Javier Grego. So I'm gonna share you my experiences from food processing, packaging, and marketing management subject. So I gain a lot of knowledge, especially on how I can start a small business. So let's start from the labeling. Also the packaging is in. So first the labeling is very important. So I learned so much things that the information from the label need is complete and understandable by the consumer. It is because for the safetyness of the consumer on how they can take the products or on how might have content of this product. Don't have any idea or knowledge about preserving food, but by this subject introduced me on many ways how I can preserve food. Especially we do the jam method wherein we add some sugar. So I realized that the sugar can prolong the life of the food. So it is the um, earliest culture that the process can prolong the food. So next, the canning method. So this method, we need to heat up the can. So by its result, it can fight or it destroy the microorganism that might grow from your food. So it helps the food to have a long shelf life. Let's go from the drying process. This is my experience on the drying process is very enjoyable because it is the easy way on how I can preserve food. So it basically by exposing the fruits or vegetable or the leaves, I can preserve food by dehydrating it from the sun heat. So it is new. It's not new for me because it is the traditional culture that I see from my parents. So they dried just like the fish or leaves to prolong the lifespan of it. Smoked boneless bangus. For me, for my experience, it is the difficult laboratory that I do because this is my second time doing boneless bangus, but it's really hard for me to remove the bones because it always the flesh sumasama siya do sa mismong bone na hinuhugot ko, so it's very difficult for me. So but the process on smoking bangus, hindi naman ako nahirapan doon. I achieved the taste and also the flavor of it. So it's really nice to do that so I can create a business on that smoke boneless bangus. Skinless longganisa, I learned that the process is important on curing the mixture. And also it has a lot of steps, so you need to follow it to achieve your final product. Then in skinless longganisa, I experienced difficulties in wrapping it because I need a lot of trial to achieve its final look or the consistent sizes. Overall, this subject give me insight on how I can start a small business. Just like the preservation of foods, I can use it to provide or manufacture food in just like the processed food, the preservation of food. So I can think of some products that can be sell or that can be attractive to the consumer. And also it teaches me on how I can market or to have a marketing strategy on my product, especially promoting in social media and to have an beautiful and informative label, also the tagline. So it really helped me to think in the future that maybe I can use to have a small business.